you will feel that this is the environment which encourages you to perform at your best. But you won't know that until it happens. But if it's a personal best, that is, you can be eminently proud of what you've achieved, because you will know you couldn't have done any better. But it is the process of getting here, and some of you are getting here again and again and again and again. That is extraordinary, because it requires such inspiration and innovation to maintain those levels of excellence for an Olympic Games. That says something enormous about your achievements and your skills. Thank you for your commitment and your support. And I just wish you every bit of success, and that it goes as well as you hope in every way. And also do take the chance to enjoy it. The village does have its moments when it can be enjoyed. But it's a pleasure to see you. All the best.
Congratulations, guys, by the way. Okay, thank you.